Oh, another ace there, this time by Kim Gakiliana.
Getting to be too easy for the Lady Eagles. 13-7.
Problema natin, receive yung girls. Receive mo na kayo ng receive. Napakadali naman umatang kumatake basta may receive eh.
Hindi ko naman ang kunin.
Uling ito sa Gakiliana. Wala, galit. Parang spare eh. Nilusot doon sa, diba? 7 and 10 split. Kayang-kaya niya upakan.
Yeah. Another good serve.
Long. 14-7.
Yeah, the woes of Lasal Dasmariñas continues, and you know, you can feel for Giselle C because she's a veteran of the squad.
Yeah. Played for FEU as well. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakespeare League. First ball, ano? First ball talaga ang problema. Hope. Double touch. Tama, kaninang bola?
Lasal,
no? Double touch si Tan yata. Basta sa atin na yung error.
lifting.
Yonko to serve. Got them on the back row.
That's you know, that should be a moral booster for Lasal.
Yeah.
That ace.
La Victoria and Valdez paying for that. 14-9. Yonko. Valdez whips it up. Down the middle we go with Maraguinot. La Victoria. Regalo. And the net. Touched by Nunag.
You gotta love her reaction. Eh. She knew na, hindi pa tinatawag.
Sana wag.
She was tiptoeing.
Sana wag. Maraguinot, 15-9. 15-10.
Well, that's one thing, you know, that she will improve on: consistency of her serves.
You know, I was looking at Joanna Maraguinot not at the ball, and she was already going into offensive mode. Wala pa yung bola sa kanila.
That's why Coach will always say na depensa muna.
2 points in a row for Dasmariñas, and the team in green and white beginning to catch fire here.
Yep, just a 3-point lead.
Valdez inside. So Dasmariñas coming within 2.
Yeah, that's a great stuff block there by Nunag. Oh, it was actually
Number 10, si Nunag was there on the left.
Navidad.
Pasok na pasok.
So easy.
16-13, technical timeout, numero 2. Internationals get this GMAnetwork.com international program guide, and I'd like you to meet Ronalisa Torres. I was teasing her that she does not really look like her 31 years of age that she told us. She looks younger. And no. 31 and a half siguro. But she's our Shakey's League face of the game. Enjoys the Shakey's box, which has pizza.
Yeah, it does.
Make sure. 14, ilang seasons na Shakespeare? 12?
12.
Wala pa rin akong box na sarili.
Gusto mo, box lang pala eh. Mamaya, bigyan ka lang.
Thank you. Regalo. No, hindi nupakan. 16-13. Ito, gusto na umuwi. Nakauwi pa ng San Juan, Batangas ito. And it is definitely an ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
The soot eh, no? You can see that slow-mo right between the two blockers.
And what she has learned in the Asian Youth and the Southeast Asian Games, siya binabantayan na siya, no? Nilulusot niya eh.
Yeah.
Kulang na lang tayo dyan chemistry. Ano? Yung tangkad sa Southeast Asia, kaya na natin sumabay eh. Ano na lang, mahirap yung chemistry ng Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, di ba? Lalo na Thailand. Oh, yung Thailand nasa world level na yun, di ba?
Yeah. World class.
Mga volleyball players nila are on billboards all over Thailand.
Yeah?
Oh, even on an airplane, ha? Yung, there's this one airplane, I forget which airline. Andun sila, Makatay. Thai Airways. But I saw on the airport coming out of Bangkok minsan lalaki ng billboard, volleyball player. Sabi ng parang, how do you know na volleyball player? Eh, may hawak na mika sa volleyball. Malay ko, yung nakasulat na tayo.
May hawak na volleyball.
Oo, may hawak na volleyball. 15-18, Tan will be serving.
But you know, for the LaSalle Dasmariñas fans, you gotta love the fight that they're putting
this is
up.
their chance.
Yeah.
Valdez.
Good read by Giselle C.
Oh, ang gulat ni Eliza, ba't buhay pa yun? Yakiliana, back row attempt. In short. Maraginot ended up under the volleyball.
Yeah, and she was too far.
Misread, ano? Again, Shakey's for fun, family, and pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Yakiliana has been relatively consistent, ha?
Yep.
Doon sa scoring trio nila, si Yakiliana, si Valdez, si Maraginot, ha? With a few shots contributed by De Leon as well.
And Ahomiro.
Oh.
This time Lara gets it across.
Yep. In the meantime, into the deep corner. And it becomes 17-19. Yung ko may palo ito eh.
Yeah.
Iba pa palo ito.
Easy serve.
Nice quick. Idilim, may suntok pa eh pagkatapos eh.
Hiningi niya eh, no? We heard it eh. She asked for it.
De Leon from the Poveda High School program. A bit like her also. Tangkad, di ba? So magkagulo rito, papasok nila si Tajima, magwawala tao rito. I don't know why. And they find her so demure probably, and they'll enjoy it when she's on the floor.
Yeah, that's true.
Navidad messing up the toss. 21-17, Lady Eagles in charge of the match. Took the first set and hoping to ice the deal also in the second set.
Good serve. They have been targeting Lara.
Oo. Over and beyond. And it's 22-17. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V League. We have a new face, number 9 for DLSU. That is Mayel, Joy Pasco.
Service error there for Ateneo. Bea De Leon hitting it wide.
Malakas pa rin yan, no? Malakas. Andun na siya. Ang layo na niya. Malakas yung pulso ng batang. Malakas ng wrist niya. Dadang. Giselle did the right thing. Taas mo lang.
Yep.
Kahit na mag-free ball yan. Block by Ahomiro. Maraginot.
Really high leaper.
Oo eh. Na natural eh. left and right, ano? Merong atake, Maraginot, may Valdez, may Bacro. Weapons everywhere.
Yep.
C. Yonko. Kiliana ready for it. Amy, left-handed stab on the line.
And a net violation nonetheless.
And it's set point. Kim serve. C drops a message.
Vintage Giselle C.
Nes Pamilar, founder during the Balarong Pambansa, and made her a part of these FPU teams back then.
Yeah. And what an addition to the FU program.
Yep. In the post-Dacus era of FPU.
Yeah.
And this one is a part of the history of the Shakey's Relay. And the Lady Eagles take a 2-0 lead and threatening to make it a straight set victory. We check on our Shakey's Shake and Play, and that'll do it for the second set. Back quickly.